Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make a heart symbol on keyboard so you can easily add a cute heart to your messages, posts, or documents. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the app, document, or browser where you want to type the heart symbol. This could be a messaging app, social media site, or even a Word document. Make sure your text cursor is placed where you want the heart to appear. Step 2. Press the Windows key and the period key at the same time, or press Windows key and semicolon to open the emoji panel. When the small emoji window pops up, type the word heart in the search bar. Choose your favorite heart symbol from the list and click on it to insert it instantly. Step 3. If your keyboard has a separate number pad on the right side, hold down the Alt key and press the number 3 on the number pad. Once you release the Alt key, a heart symbol will automatically appear. This method is quick and works perfectly on keyboards with a numeric keypad. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips